How's it going, everybody? As you can see right beside me, we have a brand new package. It just arrived today, and the contents of this package is very important to the build of these two Humvees. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Wow, these look so nice. So basically what I got is I got two brand new 4-door top kits with the doors from a company called Brenton Industries in New York. They make all the 4-door top kits, basically all the top kits for Humvees, the cargo cover kits for the LMTVs, the deuce and a halves, the 5 tons. So these people make it all. Man, this looks so good. So this kit comes with everything you need to convert your Humvee into a 4-door if you don't already have all the mounting materials, all the brackets, and this company sends you everything. All the instructions, every single bolt, everything you need.
Alright, to start off with, this kit comes with all 4 doors. They are all wrapped in plastic to keep them safe. Right here is the top bow that goes across the top of the Humvee. A little lizard ran in here to see what was up. Here are the side mounting brackets that go across the sides of the Humvee, just above the doors. Here is the rear curtain. Here is the actual top all folded up. And right here is the C-pillar. This goes behind the rear seats. And here is a bag of miscellaneous screws and brackets and items that you need to install the whole kit. Pretty much every single nut and bolt, screw, everything you need is right here. This kit also comes with a list of materials, as well as a step-by-step installation guide, and it even has a couple diagrams to help you.
So I'm just gonna quickly grab the 2 passenger side doors out of the bags real quick, just to throw them on there, just to show you guys how good they look. Shit, I grabbed the wrong ones. Alright, so keep in mind these haven't been adjusted yet, but they look so nice. And we're gonna sneak up on these birds really quick. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for more on the series. Over and out.